Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and handle VAT on your Gumroad store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here, the first thing we can do in the upper right corner is go ahead and log into your account. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is the home page you're going to see. From here, at the left side of the screen, we can go and take a look at all the sections that are going to enable us to manage our store, such as home, products, and collaborators. So now let's go and take a look at this Help Center article right here on how to handle EU and UK VAT on Gumroad. So basically, guys, for all sales to EU and UK buyers, Gumroad acts as a merchant of record for the sale, making Gumroad responsible for collecting and remitting VAT. So basically, guys, you can go ahead and take a look at all the info that you need right here. By going to the settings tab, you're going to be able to mark products as e-publication for VAT purposes. This is going to be found in your settings right here, the left side of the screen at the bottom of the page, so keep that in mind. And then you can go ahead and get started with reducing the e-publications in the UK down to 0%. And here you have frequently asked questions that you need to go ahead and read about if you need help. But basically, guys, VAT is automatically calculated for purchases in those countries. If you need any more help with sales tax, you can go ahead and open up this article right here and read about whatever you need help with, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.